Hey everyone, this is Tech with Greg, and today I'm going to show you how to upload your first video to your YouTube channel. First, you want to go to youtube.com. On this page, in the top right corner, there's a camera looking icon. You click that and then press upload video. Then you want to get your file that you want to upload as a video. You drag it and drop it onto this page, and then that'll load. And then here you can edit your video's details like the title, the description, the thumbnail, and then you could also add it to a playlist, and then you want to hit next after. Here's the end screen. You could press add, and then you could add like things like your a button that would tell people to subscribe, and then one of your past videos. Then you hit save, then you hit next again, and on this page it just checks if your video has any copyrighted content. Then you could hit next again, and on this page you could set your visibility of your video. For now we could just set it as private, and then you could also automate when you want your video to be released, like the date and the time. Then you want to hit save again. Now our video will continue to process. You hit close for now, and then we'll check back once the video is done processing. Now that our video is done processing, you click it, and then it brings you this page where a video link of your video is located, and you click that, and then your video will play. And then you go back, change it to public, done, press save, and you refresh it, and now your video is public. And now you can just copy this link and send it to anyone so they can view your video. And that's it. You're now able to upload your first video to YouTube. So if this video was helpful for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment for any other tutorials you'd like to see in the future. Hope you enjoyed and hope you were able to upload your video. Thanks. See y'all later. Peace.